emhlabeni kuyehlela siyaphela zonke izinto ziyenzeka zonke izinto ziyenzeka khoswelo makavele selekho hlukumeza umntana ngocansi impilento senzekile esisehlo abantu bayakhala ngelento sithi justice foxoxe ngesisehlo i-death penalty mayibuye ngigalento mayibuye ngalento sekwanele uhlukumezeko kwabantu ngalento ngithi justice foxoxe ndithi ngibethi nqindi phansi
sure akwelikwekwe it's written justice for ukwekwe how come ikhothi better lendi safuna ikhithethwa only hope and pray that you still doing well sobavusa belele again no ring the bell like an author or a journalist with a story to tell lo wenze lento deserves to burn and rot in hell kwinhloko yomenzi wobubi I'll curse the spell umoya wakho catches with cover to meet the devil usithathele kabuhlungu kwingcosena 7 khothi myekile umoni ethatha amachance senzele emntaneni singaboni klamhlaba ungezansi death penalty fanele prophets zokucansa I felt it when uEndrick eshaya ngenqindi phansi it's clear nowadays thina sizohlala esikhala cause these courts sizithatha serious ngeskin color system ayisiboni thina banebale limnyama singawuyekanga igesi ngatshona ilanga sisibhala but ngizobhala ngibhalela just to expose cause ucwecwe nosapho lwakhe badinga nje closure justice cause the young soul did not deserve this kubhlungu le fucked up system it's like a circus asimthathele esandleni umthetho and then blame us xa uvele ephepheni nge-rape it's not that you're famous I wish amabhankindi nge-4-5 akhuhle anus kweside ne-stretches impilo mayiqala ukhikha ndayisondeza yonke please mayibuye Africa and solve the case ewaka to be on the front page and make sure lenja does pay for the damage you old enough to be a father xa sithetha nge-age bekumele ukhusele umntana ndlala ukuthatha i-advantage sure local represent ikasi baba ra sure
emhlabeni kuyehlela siyaphela zonke izinto ziyenzeka zonke izinto ziyenzeka khoswelo makavele selekho hlukumeza umntana ngocansi impilento senzekile esisehlo abantu bayakhala ngelento sithi justice foxoxe ngesisehlo i-death penalty mayibuye ngigalento mayibuye ngalento sekwanele uhlukumezeko kwabantu ngalento ngithi justice foxoxe ndithi ngibethi nqindi phansi thina siyazi kuyo yonke lento yenzekayo khona nolwazi bacimba sazi thina singamadoda sinjani sizizilwanyana manyani sifanele ubiza izinja manyani kanti thina sicinga njani qondo nenhliziyo icinga ntoni ungodlongula nobulala abantwana bakhulayo bona bofunda ntoni hluleka nakusithanda thina singaboni elilizo jonge zansi ayisenguye nomzansi amadoda babulali i-rapist izinto zemazelo nembeko imbeko ziyenza umbeko amadoda ayohlala ezizinja mawafa ayolahlwa yabe ngi-justice for mntana omncane umntana omncane umntana omncane makavele selekho hlukumeza umntana ngocansi impilento senzekile esisehlo abantu bayakhala ngelento sithi justice foxoxe ngesisehlo i-death penalty mayibuye ngigalento